Hi, I'm Amie Dowell, Registrar and CEO with the Alberta College of Dental Hygienists. The college's strategic plan, which runs from 2024 to 2027, outlines a clear direction forward for the college to be a leader in regulating for public protection with 4 strategic priorities. One of those priorities is redesigning the Continuing Competence Program by engaging registrants and incorporating your feedback throughout the process. With your help, we'll be redesigning the program to ensure consistently high quality, evidence-based, and ethical dental hygiene care in Alberta while addressing the concerns and complaints the college receives. The first step in the consultation process was a survey shared with registrants in March 2025. We received an exceptional response with over 1,400 registrants filling out the survey, which is more than 1/3 of registered dental hygienists in Alberta. The registrants who responded were very representative of the entire registrant base. We received feedback from recent graduates, long-time practicing dental hygienists, and those with dental hygiene education in Alberta, other regions in Canada, and abroad. Responses came from registrants in all different practice settings, including clinical, public health, education and research, and administration or corporate settings. We heard from dental hygienists who work in large cities like Edmonton and Calgary, as well as smaller mid-sized communities like Red Deer, Lloydminster, and Cold Lake. Here's a snapshot of the feedback we received around the Continuing Competence Program. You shared that what motivates you to be in the dental hygiene profession is your interactions with patients, making a difference in your communities, and improving people's health. We asked how important professional development is to you as a dental hygienist. Overwhelmingly, more than 80% of you said it was either important or crucial to your practice. The leading reason for choosing professional development as highly important to you was keeping up with science and technology. We heard that staying on top of the ever-changing technology of the profession matters most to you. When you're choosing learning activities, you primarily consider the relevancy of the activity to your practice, the convenience of the activity, meaning the location or delivery method, and the cost of the activity. And what motivates you to seek out learning activities is primarily topics you're interested in, changes in technology or industry standards, and patient outcomes. We asked about the effectiveness of different learning formats, which gave us critical data to help us develop the redesigned program and how we can tailor it to you. The learning formats that were ranked the most highly were reviewing and discussing patient courses, taking courses you're interested in, and receiving feedback from others. We asked you how effective the current Continuing Competence Program is in a number of different areas, such as keeping you up to date with new technology, helping you maintain your knowledge and skills, helping you achieve your professional goals, and helping you identify and prioritize your learning needs. While most of you responded that the current program is either very effective or somewhat effective in most of these areas, others identified that the current program isn't as effective when it comes to helping you identify and prioritize your learning needs. You told us that what matters most to you about a continuing competence program is flexibility, portability, accessibility, availability of learning, and accountability. When we asked you about changes or improvements to the program, we heard many of you say that you like the program the way it currently is, but others recommended changes to the credit system, reporting period length, availability and variety of learning activities, and affordability. And lastly, we asked you about aspects of other programs you were inspired by or considered valuable. Ideas that emerged included self-assessments and reflections, the opportunity for personalized learning, and peer collaboration. Here's what the next steps look like in the consultation process. We have in-person workshops coming up in Banff, Calgary, and Edmonton in May, with additional in-person workshops being planned. We'll also have online options to follow for those registrants who are unable to attend in person. Once the in-person and online consultation is complete, we'll be sharing a What We Heard report. Based on your feedback throughout the consultation in 2025, we'll begin redesigning the program in 2026. You can expect to hear updates from the college throughout the redesign process. In the meantime, the existing Continuing Competence Program remains in place. If you have any questions about the program or the consultation process, please reach out to the college by phone or email. Thanks to everyone who has participated so far, and we look forward to seeing you at the workshops.